If you spend some time on YouTube, you have probably heard of Squarespace. They provide everything you need to create and maintain a website. It's great, but the smallest plans start at 30 Canadian dollar if you pay monthly. So if you have a small business or you're freelancing part-time, you might not be able to justify that cost. But good news, there is a way to have a free website and I'm gonna share it with you. These websites are called static pages, so you won't be able to do complex things like e-commerce, but if for instance you are shooting a wedding during the weekend and you want a small website to showcase your work, this is perfect. As an example, I have a friend that have a small business and I made him a website so he can promote his services to potential customers. And the good news is that you don't have to be a programmer to create a static web page. So if you are able to read and write, you will be fine. So if that sounds good for you, let's go. We will use a free and open source static site generator called Gkill. I'm not sure about the name, but I believe it's Gkill. And then this website will be hosted for free on GitHub. Their website is gkillrb.com, and if you go to the resources page, they share a few websites where you can download free templates. Some of them cost money, but the vast majority are free. I suggest you check jackstackthemes.dev or gquillthemes.org for a huge collection of free themes. All the links will be in the video description in case you want to search for free themes, but here are a few examples I like. The first is called Creative Theme and it will be perfect for a small business. You can showcase your services, your portfolio, and share your contact information. Another template I like is Lenses by HTML5. It's like a photo gallery so you can showcase your work and share your contact information. And for this video, that's the template we will use. The first step is to go to GitHub and create an account or sign in if you already have one. Then, go to the Gkill Lens repository from Elastic Design. As you can see, this template is free and easy to set up and it doesn't require any coding skills. So to use that template, go to the top of the page and click on Fork. Give it a name and make sure it ends with .github.io. Change the description if you wish and then click on Create Fork. Next, go to Settings, then Pages, and under Source, select GitHub Action. GitHub will suggest you a Jquill page, so click on Configure and then on Commit Changes. Now go back to Settings and click on Pages. You should see that your website is live. You might also notice that the website URL isn't very pretty. If you want, you can have a custom domain, but this is beyond the scope of this video. But if you want me to do another video about it, let me know in the comments. Now we can click on Visit Site to have a look. For now, it doesn't look like much, but we will personalize it. To customize our website, we can go back to GitHub and click on Code. In the project, there will be a file named config.yml, so click on it to open it. For example, the header is currently Lens, so if I change it to my name, the website should be updated accordingly. To edit that document, you can start typing and a pop-up will open. Then just click on Switch to Editor. Once the change is completed, you can click on Commit Changes. Now, if you go to your website and refresh the page, you should see the change you made. And voila, the website has been updated after I edited the config file. Now I will just edit the file to put all the information I want. As you can see, the text I changed on the configuration file is now shown on the web page. It also added buttons for my social media and all of them are working. Now the last part is to add pictures. To do so, go back to Code and click on the gallery folder. We can delete the pictures that are currently there. To do so, click on the three dots in the top right corner, then click on Delete Folder, and then Commit Changes. Now on your computer, Prepare a folder with all the picture you want to display and name it Gallery. On GitHub, click on Add File and then on Upload Files. Then drag and drop the folder onto GitHub and click on Commit Changes. You can now go back to your website and see the pictures you just uploaded. And voila! We now have a fully functional website to showcase our work. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, just give me a like and see you next time.